everyone. Hope you guys are having an amazing Sunday. Today, a little bit of news came out. Not only do I want to talk about news, I want to talk about price of Bitcoin and where do you guys think it will go. I had originally thought that it might go maybe down to 26,000 and then bounce back up. Due to historical data, which we got right here, we came down to 26,000. We were able to shoot back up. It kind of seems like we've touched that same general area, but not necessarily, even though we kind of consolidated a tiny bit and we're going back up. So hopefully we continue this. Now, let's get into some of the news about Bitcoin today. Guys, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion. A little bit of news that I find out there on the internet that I like to let you guys know and get your feedback on it and see what you guys think of it as well. So let's get into it. So Pompliano, he comes out saying that pretty much defending Bitcoin, pretty much saying that Bitcoin is the hedge for inflation. He goes on to state that undisciplined monetary fiscal policy does not work. He also states that you can't print trillions of dollars without consequence, and that's exactly what the government has been doing. They've been printing out money like if it grows on trees, and then the end result is us having to pay for it. You know, us the taxpayers, us the 9-to-5ers, the people that have to go to work every single morning, we're the ones that have to pay for it because a lot of us don't have that many assets that we invested in, or we don't have a huge portfolio, so we can't really hedge against inflation. He goes on to states that, I mean, obviously Bitcoin is a hedge to inflation. It's been the best performer since January 2020. I mean, if you go back to January 2020 to now, Bitcoin has gone up 400%. The S&P has only gone up 22%. NASDAQ 36%. Gold 10%. And the dollar has absolutely fell off. So that's not even worth talking about. But guys, this seems to be good news in the sense of just hanging on to the Bitcoin that you already have. Try not to panic sell. Try to DCA along the way for whenever this does turn around. It's going to make a lot of people a lot of money. And if you're one of those people, then you're going to be balling in the near future, which is amazing, right? It's great. We all want financial freedom. That's why we're here. This is from Pompliano. This is the video that he put out, just giving a little bit of feedback on that. Please let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think that Bitcoin is a hedge to inflation and if Bitcoin will see a huge run up to the high side by the end of the year. Here we go, another little piece of news from @RoverCRC. Bitcoin whales are accumulating at a pace never seen before. Guys, this is big news. As they always say, do what the whales do. Do not do as false influencers want you to do, right? Let's go ahead and follow the big money. That's what we got to do. Short-term traders right now are being completely obliterated because this is such a volatile market. You do not know where it is going. But if you look 5 to 10 years in the future, Bitcoin has outperformed every single asset, and I think it's going to outperform them again, and it's going to continue to do so for the upcoming future. Now, this is a little bit of bad news. The CFTC's action against Gemini is bad news for Bitcoin ETFs. The lawsuit against Gemini is not about an exchange-traded fund. It's about how a particular Bitcoin futures contract is being represented. So on June 2nd, 2022, the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission initiated an action against Gemini, the crypto exchange founded by billionaire twins Tyler and Cameron Winklevoss. Among other things, the complaint alleges that Gemini made a number of false and misleading statements to the CFTC in connection with the potential self-certification of a Bitcoin futures contract, the price for which were to be settled daily by an auction, the Gemini Bitcoin auction. In the complaint, the CFTC specifically articulated the position that these statements were designed to mislead the commissions as to whether the proposed Bitcoin futures contract would be susceptible to manipulation. While the Winklevoss brothers were not named in the suit, the complaint alleges that Gemini officers, employees, and agents knew or reasonably should have known that the statements and information conveyed or omitted were false or misleading. These are serious accusations, considering that the CFTC's third and 12th core principles require markets involved in derivative trading, including those seeking to offer Bitcoin futures contracts, to have policies and practices ensuring that contracts are not readily subject to manipulation and that they offer reasonable protection of market participants. So let me know what you guys think about this. This barely came out. Oh, look, here we go. Gemini offered a formal statement in response to the CFTC's action. We have an 8-year track record of asking for permission, not forgiveness, and always do the right thing. We look forward to definitely proving this in court. Now, guys, with blockchain technology, I mean, obviously you could go back to anything in historical data and really get all the information you're looking for. So it may be bad news for short traders right now, but I don't think that this is really going to have that big of an impact on Bitcoin ETFs. If it does, I'll come out with a video on that. But let me know what you guys think. Let me know how you feel. If this makes you bullish or bearish against Bitcoin, if you even care about it, if you don't care about it, let me know. Comment down below. Please tell me your thoughts. Tell me how you feel. So right now, Bitcoin's at 27,980. Ethereum at 1,500. Cardano's at 53 cents. XRP 36 cents. Solana $33. Dogecoin is at 6 cents. So guys, that's what I had found for today. Just some quick little news recap. A little bit of good news, a little bit of bad news. You know, going back into the charts, we are still doing pretty good. We're still consolidating. We're still holding in between that 26,000 and that 32,000. So like I said, if we could keep bouncing in between here, maybe we might shoot up to the high side. If we go below 26,000, then I don't think we're going to be coming up very quickly from that. We might go down a little bit more. But either way, Bitcoin is the currency of the future. It's something to hang on to. Please keep faith, guys. Keep hope alive. Don't waste any of your money purchasing off videos you see. Always do your own research. If you can DCA, do so at this time, little by little. All of that will add up in the long term, and you will be set for hopefully financial freedom. So thanks again, guys, for your time. I appreciate you tuning in, and I will be continuing to come out with more and more videos on a daily basis. Let me know what you would like to see. Like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for your time. Goodbye, everybody.